Hello friends, welcome to Agribuddy. So this is the third part of the video containing important agriculture questions with explanation. So the last question was question number 50. Soil order called as organic soil having more than 20% of organic matter is, and the correct answer is histosols. In word reference base for soil resources, a histosol consists primarily of organic materials. They may have up to 40 cm organic soil material in the upper 80 cm layers. Question 51. What is the name of the first in vitro calf produced by National Dairy Institute NDRI? And the options are A. Kamdhenu, B. Param, C. Lakshmi, D. Pratham. And the correct answer is Pratham. In 1990, Pratham, the first IVF buffalo calf of the world, was produced by NDRI. Question number 52. Where is the headquarters of Indian Institute of Soil Science? And the options are Guwahati, Allahabad, Bhopal or Warangal. And the correct answer is Bhopal. Question 53. World Soil Day is celebrated on which day? And the options are 4th October, 5th November, 4th July or 5th December. And the correct answer is 5 December. Question 54. The water use efficiency is highest in which plants? And the options are C3 plants, C4 plants, CAM plants or all of the above. And the correct answer is CAM plants. CAM plants generally maximize water use efficiency as they absorb and store CO2 through open pores at night when water is less likely to evaporate. Question 55. Which of the following is a non-ruminant animal? And the options are goat, sheep, horse or cattle. And the correct answer is horse. Non-ruminant animals are those who have a simple stomach. Question 56. What are the poultry birds which are raised for egg production called? And the options are broilers, hatchers, incubators or layers. And the correct answer is layers. Layers are sexually mature birds producing an egg. Question 57. Which pulse is known as the king of pulses? And the options are chickpea, pigeon pea, lentil or field pea. And the correct answer is chickpea. Chickpea, Cicer arientinum is its scientific name. It is also known as the gram. It consists of more than 1/3 of the area and 40% of the total production of pulses in India. Chickpea is called as king of pulses and contain 22 to 23% protein content. Question number 58. For reclamation of alkaline soil, what is used? And the options are lime, calcium carbonate, gypsum, none of these. And the correct answer is gypsum. The most common way to reclaim alkaline soil is by supplying calcium. Gypsum supplies calcium much easily and thus displaces the sodium held on clay binding sites. Question 59. Split application of fertilizer is useful under which type of soil? And the options are clay soil, loamy soil, sandy soil or saline soil. And the correct answer is sandy soil. Split doses helps in reducing nutrient losses by leaching as leaching is common in sandy soils. Question 60. For the purpose of fishing, the worm which is used as bait is known as, and the options are angleworm, prey worm, cone worm, none of these. And the correct answer is angleworm. A worm such as an earthworm that is used as a bait in fishing is called as angleworm. Question 61. Nitrogen biofertilizer used for sorghum and bajra is, and the options are Azotobacter, BGA, Rhizobium or Azospirillum. And the correct answer is Azospirillum. Azospirillum is a gram-negative bacteria and it helps in nitrogen fixing. Question 62. Which of the following nutrient is involved in reproduction in plants and germination of pollen grains? And the options are boron, calcium, potassium, sulfur. And the correct answer is boron. Boron is required in small amounts and is responsible for pollination and seed set. Its deficiency results in empty pollen grains, reduced flower, and poor pollen vitality. Question 63. Which of the following plants does not have taproot system? And the options are cotton, gram, carrot, onion. And the correct answer is onion. All dicot have taproot system and monocots have fibrous root system. Onion is an example of fibrous root system as most people believe that the onion bulb is the root. However, that's not the case. If you look at an onion, you'll see the pointed top and a tangle of hair at the bottom. Those hair are the onion roots and hence are fibrous in nature. Question 64. Lab to Land program was started in the year, and the options are 1959, 1982, 1979 or 1991. And the correct answer is 1979. Lab to Land program was launched in 1979 as a part of Golden Jubilee celebration of ICAR. Its objective were to improve economic condition of small farmers. Question 65. Marriage outside the group or caste is called as, and the options are endogamy, exogamy, ectogamy, none of these. And the correct answer is exogamy. Clearly, exo means outside and gamy means marriage. So the answer is exogamy. Question 66. In additive series of intercropping, base crop population is, and the options are same as pure crop, same as intercrop, both A and B, none of these. And the answer is same as pure crop. Additive intercropping, base crop population is same to that of pure crop, whereas that of intercrop is less. Its main objective is to get additional income and reduce the risk. Question 67. Gestation period of goat is how many days? And the options are 100, 150, 180, 200. And the correct answer is 150 days. Question 68. The condition in which flower opens only after pollination is called, and the options are chasmogamy, cleistogamy, autogamy, none of these. And the correct answer is chasmogamy. Question 69. The deficiency of calcium and boron are found on, and the options are old leaves, new leaves, terminal leaves, old and new leaves. And the correct answer is terminal leaves. Because of boron's involvement in cell growth, its deficiency is expressed at the growing depths. Question 70. The short-lived annual weeds are called as, and the options are mimicry crop, bound weed, seasonal weeds, ephemerals. And the correct answer is ephemerals. Ephemeral means lasting for a short time. Question 71. Maximum fat percent is in the milk of, and the options are Murrah, Mehsana, Bhadavari, Zafrabadi. And the correct answer is Bhadavari. Bhadavari is an improved water buffalo breed from Uttar Pradesh, India. The high butter fat presence is due to this breed's efficiency in converting animal feed into butter fat. Question 72. First clone dolly was made in, and the options are sheep, goat, cow or buffalo. And the correct answer is sheep. Dolly lived from 1996 to 2003. It was developed by biologist Ian Wilmot and his colleagues at Roslin Institute, Scotland. Question 73. Photorespiration is the characteristic of, and the options are C3 plants, C4 plants, CAM plants or none of these. And the correct answer is C3 plants. Photorespiration is a process in higher plants by which they take up oxygen and light and give out carbon dioxide, which is contrary to the general pattern of photosynthesis. Question 74. Stomata of plants open due to, and the options are influx of potassium ions, efflux of potassium ions, influx of hydrogen ions, or none of these? And the correct answer is influx of potassium ions. Potassium ions function is closing and opening of stomata. Question 75. In which farming the land is used for growing food and fodder crops and rearing livestock? And the options are intensive farming, plantation farming, primitive farming, or mixed farming. And the correct answer is mixed farming, as both the activities take place side by side, helping the farmer to perform both. Thus, it is known as mixed farming. Question 76. Diesel engine have thermal efficiency between what percentage? And the options are 25 to 32, 32 to 38, 40 to 45, or 47 to 52. And the correct answer is 32 to 38. Diesel engines dominate the trucking industry with better efficient engines. Question 77. Scientific name of finger millet is, and the options are Setaria italica, Eleusine coracana, Panicum millesium, or Ricinus communis. And the correct answer is Eleusine coracana. Question 78. Which of the following is white button mushroom? And the options are Agaricus bisporus, Pleurotus species, Calocybe indica, Volvarella species. And the correct answer is Agaricus bisporus. Agaricus bisporus is cultivated in more than 70 countries and is one of the most commonly and widely consumed mushroom in the world. Question 79. Which of the following element is non-essential for plants? And the options are calcium, sodium, zinc, or sulfur. And the correct answer is sodium. Sodium is considered as non-essential nutrient because it does not meet strictly definition of essentiality. It is often used as a micronutrient. Question 80. The first product in India to bag geographical indication was, and the options are Khola chili, Rasgulla, Darjeeling tea, none of these. And the correct answer is Darjeeling tea. Darjeeling tea became first geographical indication tag product of India in 2004 to 2005. Question number 81. Who coined the term gene? And the options are Johansen, Bateson, A. Kornberg, or G. Mendel. And the correct answer is Johansen. Question 82. Lindeman's 10% law is related to which of the following? And the options are decomposing biodiversity, energy flow, or ozone depletion. And the correct answer is energy flow. Lindeman's law states that only 10% of the energy entering in a particular trophic level is available for transfer to next trophic level. Question 83. Succulent plants have which of the following cycle? Options are C3 cycle, CAM cycle, C4 cycle, or none of these. And the correct answer is CAM cycle. Plants showing CAM are typically found in conditions where periods of water shortage occur. Thus, succulent plants commonly show CAM cycle. Question 84. When was the Insecticide Act enacted in India? And the option are 12 December 1960, 13th Feb 1986, 2 September 1968, 2 October 1960. And the correct answer is 2 September 1968. Question 85. Which of the following is known as Queen of Goat breed? And the options are Saanen, Jamunapari, Pashmina, Himalayan breed. And the correct answer is Saanen. The origin of Saanen breed is Switzerland. Question 86. Ratooning is a major practice in which of the crop? And the options are sugar beet, maize, sugarcane, or mustard. And the correct answer is sugarcane. Ratooning is a practice of harvesting a crop by cutting above ground portion but leaving the roots and growing shoot for next crop season. Question 87. Pegging is an important practice of which crop? And the options are maize, groundnut, cotton, or chickpea. And the correct answer is groundnut. Peg formation is a stage of groundnut and the budding ovary is a parent is called peg. Question 88. Which color of the light is favorable for growth of the plants? And the options are green, blue, white or red. And the correct answer is red. Red light is responsible for making plants flower and produce fruit and is more efficient for photosynthesis. Having only red light may not favor the growth of plants, so proper amount of other light should be ensured. Question 89. Inflorescence of sugarcane is known as, and the options are panicle, tassel, arrow or spike. And the correct answer is arrow. Question 90. What is the scientific name of black mustard? And the options are Brassica oleracea, Brassica nigra, Brassica rapa or Brassica juncea. And the correct answer is Brassica nigra. Question 91. Krebs cycle is also known as, and the options are Calvin cycle, EMP pathway, citric acid cycle or glycolysis. And the correct answer is citric acid cycle. The name citric acid is derived from first product generated by the sequence of conversion, which is citric acid. Citric acid is also known as tricarboxylic acid. Question 92. Which of the following is the highest milk producer breed in the world? And the options are Holstein Friesian, Jersey, Sahiwal or Sindhi. And the correct answer is Holstein Friesian. It is the most widespread cattle breed in the world and present in more than 150 countries. Question 93. Which of the institute developed the vaccine against Ranikhet disease? And the options are National Dairy Research Institute, Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Veterinary College and Research Institute or Banaras Hindu University. And the correct answer is Indian Veterinary Research Institute. IVRI or Indian Veterinary Research Institute is situated in Ijatnagar, Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Question 94. What is the local name of Cynodon ductilon? And the options are Bathua, Doob Ghas, Gajar Ghas or Dhatura. And the correct answer is Doob Ghas. Question 95. Neelam is a variety of, and the options are apple, mango, lychee or banana. And the correct answer is mango. Neelam mango are known for their beautiful shape and taste. Question 96. Origin of rice is, and the options are Mexico, Africa, China or Indo-Burma. And the correct answer is Indo-Burma. Question 97. Pulses are deficient in, options are methionine, lysine, glycine or both B and C. And the correct answer is methionine. Question 98. Dieback of citrus is caused by deficiency of, and the options are zinc, boron, manganese, copper. And the correct answer is copper. Dieback of citrus is also known as citrus decline or chlorosis. Question 98. Etawah pilot project was started by, and the options are Antonio Leeuwenhoek, Albert Mayer, M.S. Swaminathan or W.B. Smith. And the correct answer is Albert Mayer. Etawah pilot project was started in 1948 in Etawah district of Uttar Pradesh. Question number 100. Central Tobacco Research Institute is situated in, and the options are Madhya Pradesh, Delhi, Haryana or Andhra Pradesh. And the correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. So guys, that was it. If you want to buy AFO course, the link is given in the description box and don't forget to like and subscribe everybody. Thank you.